All right, we're back and we're going to do our initial start on the King DRZ engine. And it's been really cold, and there's actually some, my garage door doesn't fit really tight, but it was like 30-mile-an-hour wind in here and we had snow blowing, so I got a little bit of snow inside of the garage here. But I'm going to do the initial start here. I know you probably can't see it because it may not be in frame, but we got the, we'll go to that here in a minute. But we got the Lectron carburetor that I remember I did the tuning series on that on my original engine here. That's sitting over here out of frame. And I'm just going to do the priming circuit on it here, pulling up on it. And I've also already primed the oil system on this with the spark plug out. I turned over the engine with the bleed screws on it. It's kind of an advanced thing, but it let me know that there's oil getting to everything. So with that being said, there's nothing more to do. Now be advised, I have it on the priming circuit, so I'm gonna have to bump it till it pops, and then I will take it off of the choke or enrichment circuit, and then we will try to start it without that. So this is literally the first start. It's rather cold, but I think we're okay. All right, so we got a pop. So that's not nothing to be worried about. It's really cold in here, but we got it to start right out of the gate, so it's very good. So let's try it again. All right, so what my experience tells me is I need to put it back on the enrichment circuit. Okay, so we got it to pop. I'm just over here so you can hear me. I idled it up a little bit. You might see a little smoke. It's because I've been handling the header here. I'm not seeing any abnormal leaks or anything. And I'm just going to go ahead and let this warm up a little bit. And then I'm going to observe it. After that, we will do a test ride on it. It's supposed to get up to around 50 tomorrow. So I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, I'm going to take you off the stand. a good indicator that our thermostat's working. Okay, that's enough. All right, sorry you had to deal with the engine noise, but we're in good shape. The engine's doing what it's supposed to do. That puddle over there, sorry about the mess here, that puddle over there is all from me taking everything off at the very last bit. We had a little bit of leakage when I was bleeding the coolant, as you're supposed to do. But yeah, everything's looking pretty dry around the engine. We'll confirm that after it sets a little bit, and then we'll be ready to do our test ride tomorrow. Yeah.